Just like that, standardized lorem filler text everywhere. Would you like that too? Yeah, there's plugins, but they sure as heck haven't been supporting my workflow. So let's build a custom shortcut and get this solved for good. Let's open up shortcuts, go up to the plus, make a new one, and we'll start by searching for and adding choose from menu. When I was testing this, I thought this is where I was entering my lorem, which stumped me for a while, but these are going to be nice convenient names for each option. So let's call this one sentence, and this one we'll call paragraph. And since those are just names, we need to bring text in. So we can search for text, drop that under sentence, head over to Ipsum, and that was a single sentence. Let's grab this short one right there, drop that in, bring another text in, grab a whole roughly paragraph. Now that we've got our menu set up, we should test this. And to do so, we can search up show, and then we're looking for this one, show result. Drop that in at the very end, and then it's automatically detecting that we want the menu result. We can click play. Hey, that looks right. Which means we can switch to a copy to clipboard instead. So let's search for copy. And drop that in. This one doesn't need to be there anymore. And then we head over to our information tab, hit add keyboard shortcut. And my actual one I set to Control Option Command L, but hopefully this doesn't create a conflict. We're going to set it to Control Option Command K, and this should be ready. So let's test it on all these platforms. Ah, that's pretty cool. Now, whoa. While it's still us, I have a secret. I need ideas for content. So if you're anywhere in like design, web development land, leave a comment with something you'd like to learn. All right, enjoy your next video.